Well, it is Wednesday and I am back in the office. I was in and I am back in the office. I was in Philadelphia this morning representing a client at a pretrial hearing, and now I'm back in the office in Morristown, New Jersey, getting ready to see some clients in the afternoon session. With that said, think about the blog article regarding hearsay evidence and witness availability. We get this question a lot because people often ask us, if the witnesses don't come to court, does that mean that my case is thrown out? And my answer is not necessarily, and it depends. It's a typical lawyer answer. But this is a very interesting topic because there are different types of proceedings, and most of us know that. So for instance, in Pennsylvania, at a preliminary hearing, hearsay evidence is admissible. It's also admissible at most pretrial motions, including bail proceedings. So if the witnesses don't appear for those proceedings, their testimony can be brought in through other witnesses, people who were there who heard them say it. What hearsay is an out-of-court statement offered for the truth of the matter asserted. Now, in a situation of trial, you need the witness there unless it falls under a hearsay exception. And the most complicated thing about hearsay is often the exceptions, and that is where a lot of the litigation and the subsequent case law comes from. So it's an important topic, and the important thing to understand is that if the witness isn't there, you should never base your opinion on what to do with the case based on a witness not coming to court and your case getting thrown out. Despite the common belief, there is no set number of times that a case can come to court before it is thrown out. Now, there's a kind of unwritten rule of more than 3 occasions the judge will dismiss the case, but that's not necessarily true. I know a lot of judges who won't dismiss cases for reasons such as the witness is injured, especially if the witness is injured because of something the defendant did. Now, I can assure you that that's the case. They will never dismiss a case for the witness being unavailable. In the case of a police officer being injured on duty and something unrelated, again, most judges will not dismiss cases for that. Now, keeping this in mind, it's also important that if you are a defendant in the case or your friend's a defendant in the case, you cannot, not under any circumstances, approach a potential witness and speak to them about their potential testimony. That all needs to be done through your attorney or through your attorney's investigator. You do not want to do that because that can very easily morph into a witness intimidation charge, which is extremely serious both in Pennsylvania and New Jersey. So if you have questions, 215-755-9000 in Pennsylvania, 856-793-7429 in New Jersey, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. The website, GamboneLaw.com. As always, a tremendous resource for you and your family. All of my books, my blogs, my videos are available there in one convenient format. It is a great website. We are extremely proud of it. That most recent article, I will link into this video. It's an important topic because whether or not you're going to trial or considering a guilty plea, witness availability is a critical part of your case, and your attorney should be able to explain the concept of hearsay to you. Now, the exceptions, I can tell you that there's an entire law school courses on that. So that's very difficult often to explain in one sitting. Law schools spend weeks on it. So that's not something that you're going to understand completely, but your attorney should be able to explain it to you in a way that you understand it. But once again, if you have questions, 215-755-9000 in Pennsylvania, 856-793-7429 in New Jersey, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Please enjoy the rest of the week responsibly. Please don't drink and drive. If you are stopped for suspicion of DUI or DWI, do not refuse the chemical test, but be cooperative with the officer, but never consent to the search of your person or your vehicle. So have a great day, and I'll talk to you all very soon.